There are three important things that you must take into consideration before you start your journey to financial freedom. Two of them are really good. One is exceedingly terrifying, and trust me, I'm going to mitigate this so that you can thrive as well. So you're in your journey to financial freedom, right? Or at least you want to start one. Well, comment below, what does financial freedom mean to you? Does it mean more money, more time to travel, more time to do what you want to do, when you want to do it, with who you want to do it with? Comment below what financial freedom means to you. In fact, my wife and I became debt-free back in 2013, and today I'm talking about three things that people don't tell you about when it comes to financial freedom. So what people don't talk about is saying no to friends and family. Ooh. What if your friends and family want to go out to eat, or they want to go out of town, they want to splurge and enjoy life? In the back of your mind, you want to go, right? You want to enjoy your family. You want to create memories and experiences with your family and friends. But then your goal sets in. I want to be financially free. I want to be in a position so I can be able to enjoy myself and my family and friends and live it up, right? Not be constrained to a budget or set amount on my money plan, right? You want to be able to have fun, go all out, and enjoy life, right? Not be restricted. Well, when you're on the journey to financial freedom, you're going to have to say no to a lot of things and a lot of people. Why? Because the things that people want to do don't align with what you want to do, your financial future, right? You don't want to be broke, struggling, depending on Social Security for your livelihood. You want to be able to have money saved, thriving, taking care of things that you want to do, when you want to do them, and again, enjoying life on your terms, not on someone else's terms. I heard people going out of town, and they spend all the money just to get to the destination and don't have any money to spend while there. That's no fun. Why go on a vacation and you can't spend the money and have a good time and enjoy life? All right, so you have to say no to a lot of people. And some of those people may not like your response, but they have to respect your boundaries. If you want to make better decisions with your finances, stop overspending, and stop impulse spending, get you a free resource, the free money plan budget tracker at thecartergraded.com. This is how you're going to really transform your finances in 2025. The second thing people don't talk about is life challenges. Ooh. When my wife and I were on our journey to financial freedom, we moved. We moved from South Carolina to Oklahoma, and my wife got a job offer in Oklahoma, so we packed her up, moved to Oklahoma. Then I came back to South Carolina to live while she lived in Oklahoma for a short period of time. Then we eventually moved to Tennessee, and that's where we became debt-free in 2013. But the whole point is we had transitions such as a job loss. Actually, I quit my two jobs to move to Oklahoma with my wife. She had a job in Oklahoma already waiting for her when she moved there. I had two jobs working in South Carolina, and when I left South Carolina to go to Oklahoma, I had no job at all. People don't talk about the real life stuff when it comes to moving toward financial freedom. They'll talk about ups and downs, job losses. You may have a business that may be slow. You may have to close down or file bankruptcy, or you may have a child that is in the hospital long term, for example, or you may have an unexpected pregnancy like we did. But life is going to happen to you all, and are you really willing to go through the challenges of life in order to get to the other side of the mess of life? Life is messy, so without the mess, you can't have a message to tell people that, hey, we weren't on a financial journey, but I'll be transparent and upfront with you, it was challenging because life didn't stop because we had a goal. That's right. Life doesn't stop just because you have a goal to make it and to win with money. So you're going to have challenges. The question is, how are you going to respond to the life challenges when you're moving toward financial freedom? And the last one, paying off debt is hard. I'll say it again. Paying off debt is hard. Now, if you're on a financial journey, in my opinion, you want to become debt-free. You want to be financially free, because you may be able to pay off debt and have a credit card, right? But why not be truly financially free and be debt free. See, that's a misconception because people think you can have credit, have debt, and enjoy life. In my opinion, this is how I operate. If I got debt, I'm not having fun. I'll tell you why. Because say if I go out of town and I got debt, I spend, say, $4,000 or $5,000 on my vacation. But the amount of money I may owe may be $5,000, right? So I come back from having fun on my vacation, and then I get a credit card statement in the mail because the money I spent on vacation was on credit. It was on, I used debt. So that means I had $5,000 to start with in debt. Then I used another $5,000 to go out of town on vacation. So now I'm in debt of $10,000. Why? Go out of town with debt, come back home with debt. Why not say, all right, I have a choice. I can pay off $5,000 right now and not go out of town, but I'll be debt free. But the other option could be I'll stay in debt $5,000 and I'll go back in more debt for my vacation in a total $10,000. Which is the better option for me? For me, I'd rather sacrifice now, pay out the $5,000 with no vacation, but be debt free, then rack up more debt and be struggling, worried, stressed, mad, and upset, and not be able to go out of town with my friends and family like the first point was, and also dealing with life challenges. So you're going to rack up more debt, stay unhappy, stay mad, stay frustrated, and as I always say, you're busted and disgusted. So I want to encourage you all that you can become debt free, that you can have financial freedom if you choose to. In fact, comment below if you want to become debt free and join me on a 90-day debt free challenge. You can do it. Let's make it happen, y'all.